Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I wanted to tell you about something that I got from the store today. We went to a discount store. I told you the other day the prep items were Danny's things for him, his blue jeans, his overalls, socks, underwear, t-shirts, that kind of stuff. So the prep items for me were things that I got at a second hand because I don't like to have to shop a lot. Now I did order some shorts that were on sale and a couple of shirts and things like that. And I got all of them under, most of them were $5 and $6 a piece. So that was pretty cool. But these, I only spent $3. All right, so the stretchy shorts here are about mid-length. They're not long. These shorts are down to about where these are right here. Then all these tops are like what I have on, this material. I love this type material and you can't always find it. So next year I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 6 tops. And if you're wondering why they're in red and pink, they're having an end of the year or end of the summer sale. And when it gets February, they do a lot of red and pink. And all these had not sold over the summer. And like I said, $3 for all of this. $3. You can't beat it. Actually, it was $7 and some odd cents. And I had some credit for taking clothes there. So whether it was 7 or 3, doesn't matter. That's awesome right there. Now, some of the things that I'll be looking for myself would be my underwear, my bra, my panties. I buy up those things. Socks. Keep a lot of socks on hand, and I will buy more. I will go online and order socks. I do not buy that stuff secondhand. Don't buy it secondhand if you can help it. Just saying. These clothes will go in the washing machine, and I'll wash them. And yeah, you can do socks, underwear, and stuff, but those just, something about it, just buy new. Long sleeves. That's another thing I'm fixing to start. Long sleeve shirts that are flannel button up, because you can wear them over shirts like this, and this gives me a little bit of insulation underneath a long sleeve shirt. Blue jeans. They're fixing to have blue jeans out at this secondhand store, so in the future, probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks, I will go in and see what kind of blue jeans, and I usually get my blue jeans for $5 to $8 a pair, and they usually have gobs of them in September. So we're going to go look and I'll get that. A good jacket or 2 good jackets just in case. Hoodies. I love hoodies, and so I keep my eyes out for zip up hoodies. I have some that are pullovers, and to me, I just have to fight to get out of them. The older I get, the more I have to pull something over my head, the less I like it. So hoodies is another biggie that I'll be looking for in the future. Probably in the next few weeks, we'll start looking for that. Now, September's my birthday month. The 21st is my birthday, and I've already gotten a gift. Now, TEECCINO is the coffee that I buy, and I also do a promotion for them every month. They send me a free coffee. They sent this card for my birthday. Isn't that awesome? And along with the card, they sent me a pumpkin spice, a maca chocolate, French roast, another maca chocolate. These are coffees, these are teas. So I got a French roast, a maca chocolate, and a reishi eleuthero. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is the product for the month. Here is the box that they send me. It is the reishi eleuthero, a sticker that says breathe, 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 breathe. Look, prove them wrong. Stress ball. Just sit there and relieve the stress. So Adapto what? The reishi is a mushroom. The eleuthero has ginseng-like properties. So this is to de-stress. That's what this whole tea is about. They threw these two together. And so I'm going to fix a cup, go sit by the pond, and prove them wrong. Just de-stress. So if you're interested in coffees or teas, according to which one you like, that do not have any caffeine in them, these are no caffeine coffees. TEECCINO is all caffeine free. No caffeine, period. And they're all made with lots of different things. They got lots of varieties. I just showed you a few of the varieties. Check the link in the description below for TEECCINO. You won't be sad that you did, because I really like lots of mine. I've learned to adapt to different flavors, and it's just pretty awesome. My favorite of all time is the vanilla nut, and I will always like that one, but I've learned to love quite a few of them. So I want to say thank you to TEECCINO for sending me a birthday happy, and we'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about what I'm doing to prep my clothes for the fall, winter, and next summer. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.